Hi guys, here is how you can use FTP to upload files on CodeCanyon Envato. Now this is my sample file and I want to upload this using FTP. It is recommended to use FTP if the file size is more than 300 MB. So let me quickly open CodeCanyon. I am already logged in. To upload files, click on your profile name and click on upload. Choose a category and next. And here is where you can fill in all your details of your application or files. You will need to write the name, provide HTML description. These are my already submitted files and you need to select here as accordingly. Choose the right categories and all. Anyway, if the file is not uploading here, especially if the file size is above 300 MB, it is recommended to use FTP. So let's use FTP to upload the files. Click on Try our FTP service. Here we are. Now click on Audio. Click on FTP Upload for audio. And here is the brief details. Now the first thing is we need to generate an API key. Click on it. Give any token name. I will just write test for now. Make sure this option is ticked. After this is done, agree the terms and create token. Confirm this and copy this code. This is your FTP password. So let me copy this. So this part is done. So we need the username too. This is your CodeCanyon username. This is the exact username and this is the host. And we also need a software FileZilla. If you do not have FileZilla, Google FileZilla. This is the one. Open it and download FileZilla client and install it on your PC. The installation process is very simple. We have already installed it. After this is done, open FileZilla. Here is it. Open it. Now in the password, paste the token key we generated earlier. Let me paste the password in the notepad as well. So this is the token API key we generated. So this is done. And for host, copy this and paste it here. And in username, make sure to copy the exact username because it is case sensitive. Paste it here. Port is 21 and quick connect. So you can see it is connected. I had uploaded files earlier, so it is here. Anyway, after this, drag the files you want to upload. Drag it here and wait till the file uploads. You can see the successful file transfer here. So this part is done. After this is done, come back here and wait for a while till the file is seen here. This can take some time. You will see the exact file name as you uploaded, like video preview for all-in-one file downloader. Please wait for a few minutes till the file comes here. You might have to refresh a couple of times. Also note that these files will be deleted from here in 24 hours. So if you have uploaded files using FTP, make sure to submit your application within 24 hours. So the file is finally here. Again, remember, it can take quite some time. Anyway, now choose the file accordingly. Fill all the details, prices, and upload it for review. After all this is done, you can as well delete the generated token. If you want to upload another file in the future, you can generate another token like we did it earlier. We really hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.